Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message on this device. You need to begin by opening Photos app and selecting one of your chats, in my case this one. Now tap on this little icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and tap on your photos right away. You can also select Gallery section, tap on your photos over here and select Add at the top right corner. If you want to, you can also tap on Gallery again, but this time select Folders and hold your picture over here. Lastly, hit Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!